Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your username on Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Changing your username on Snapchat is quick and easy to do once you know how. Follow the steps to learn how to do it. Open Snapchat and tap on your user icon in the top left corner. Then tap the Settings cog in the top right. In Settings, tap Username at the top. Then tap Change Username. Note that your username can only be changed once a year, so if you have changed it within the year, you won't be able to change it. When you change your username, your previous username can be used by someone else. Tap Continue and then write your desired new username. If the username is available, there will be a green tick to the right of it. Tap Next to proceed with changing your username. I won't tap Next as I don't want to change my username. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Snapchat tips and tricks.